In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Chartbook Future while examining the star map book cost conjecture for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you want to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Star Map Book. Presently, we should head into it in a fundamentally enormous manner. Before we dig profound into the Star Map Book value expectation and answer questions in the event that Map Book is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Chartbook succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Star Map Book value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what Mapbook is and its to-date history. Chartbook value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown, or so they thought. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional kind of stable business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and consequently the auction, which really is very huge. Our algo still sees us some very green in 2023, particularly in the very second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations in a significant way. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We by and large have seen this situation many times in the far-off and kind of later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the most part next 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, as opposed to mainstream thinking. We basically expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike, which is genuinely critical. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and principal evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few by and large other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-0405 plus 6.13% $0 0035 2023 04 06 plus 4.27% $0 0035 2023 04 07 plus 3.06% $0 0034 2023 04 08 2.26% $0 0033 2023 04 09 plus 2.00% $0 0034 2023 04 10 plus 1.36% $0 0034 2023 04 114.08% $0 0032 2023 04 122.97% $0 0032 2023 04 13 plus 1.99% $0 0034 2023 04 141.64% $0 0033 2023 04 155.41% $0 Chartbook value forecast 2023 high expansion and very dangerous full-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with kind of huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 certainly isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will presumably sort of see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake, or so they thought. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be in a genuinely significant manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 APR 12.99% $0 0029 2023 May 19.41% $0 0027 2023 June 20.16% $0 0027 2023 Joel 15.27% $0 0028 2023 AUG 6.99% $0 0031 2023 SEP plus 1.38% $0 0034 2023 OCT plus 12.38% $0 0037 2023 NOF plus 16.54% $0 0039 $2023 deck plus 20.78% $0, 0040 2024 Jan plus 24.29% $0, 0041 2024 Feb plus 33.02% $0, 0044 2024 Blemish plus 45.50% $0 book value expectation 2025 Our forecast model sees chart book coming to $0 2025. What will MapBook be worth in 5 years? The cost of MapBook in 5 years could lie around $0. Star Chart Book Value Expectation 2030 to 2040 What Star Chart Book will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Star Chart Book coming to 1 cent in 2030. What Star Chart Book will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Star MapBook coming to 3 cents in 2040, which is very critical. Will Star MapBook supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Star MapBook won't supplant or truly surpass BTC. Could Star Chart Book reach $1? Indeed, Star Chart Book could generally reach $1 toward the finish of 2025. Could Star MapBook reach $10? Indeed, it basically is conceivable that Star Chart Book can reach $10, however, just in a separated future, after 2030. Can Star Chart Book in every practical sense reach $100, which is genuinely huge? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Star Chart Book to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Could Star Chart Book reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Star MapBook to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is Star MapBook worth purchasing? We explicitly are supporters of reasonably hazardous financial planning. Truly put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of large cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with colossal potential gain. Thus, in this specific circumstance, Star MapBook especially merits purchasing. Is Star MapBook a wise venture? Star MapBook is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, an unsafe venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, really dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. How much will Star Chart Book be worth, in opposition to mainstream thinking? For the genuinely momentary future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 1 cent or even sort of higher. For what reason will Star MapBook succeed and become more expensive? Star Chart Book has a fundamentally decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These fundamentally are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Star Chart Book ascending to 1 cent in 2030. For what reason will Star Chart Book fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects especially fizzle because of multiple factors. The absolute most genuinely normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around planned advertising technique, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to really expand on their foundation, which is very critical. How extremely high will Star MapBook go? Our determination